How much damage would a dropped tool do? I'm Andrew Shorley, RS Pro Engineering Manager, and I'll be using this and these to find out. For testing of hard hats, the main idea is to check for impact damage. To achieve that, we're going to be testing using this 3-metre steel tube as a targeting device mounted on the scissor lift behind me at 4 metres. And we'll be using a watermelon to indicate what would happen if dropped onto an unprotected head. To replicate the impacts, we're going to be using a variety of tools, from spanners to chisels to hammers. These are quite commonly used in these environments, and this is the sort of thing that we need to protect the user from. We'll be testing first of all with the spanner, first with the blunt end, then with the sharp end, and then we'll be going in with the chisel. These replicate different types and shapes of tools being dropped in different ways. You have to protect from both blunt and sharp force trauma. We'll then repeat the experiments using the PPE, again with the blunt end, then the sharp end, then the chisel, to show what the difference would be when a person is using the correct PPE under the appropriate application. So here is the helmet after it's been completed with the impact testing. There is some damage marked on the actual helmet itself, a combination of scores and dents, as well as some discoloration. However, the helmet has not been compromised. It is still safe to be used, and you could carry on using this. This is demonstrated on how proper PPE can resist all sorts of damage and abuse in the common workplace and still protect, in this case, our watermelon, but in the real world, someone's head. This is a safe and compliant product. A common theme throughout all PPE is it is correctly marked. It contains the right information of the test house, the authorities, and also how to safely use it and store it. Unfortunately, this sample does not contain any of that information. There are mouldings at the front of the unit, but it does not indicate any of the test houses or the testing that's actually gone through. This isn't safe. This, however, contains all the correct information. It contains all the test houses, batch and lot traceabilities, and also details of the product itself. This meets the current European and UK legislation for PPE. It is safe and it is legal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch out for all our other videos where you can see us destroying various types of PPE.